Well, good morning everybody. This is week 5 of Crops in Our Environment. Last week we had an interesting forum talking about the format, and I really appreciate all of you guys' very honest feedback. I learned a lot about online teaching, a lot more I learned from you than talking to my colleagues for years now. So this was really helpful for me, and I hope I can implement some of the suggestions that you made. So we'll talk about that some more as we in news forum and other venues as the exam comes closer. The exam will be this week on Friday. We will have another Illuminate session, and you can join in and ask any questions that you like. So that will be on Wednesday night or Wednesday evening. So this week there will not be a weekly activity. So I felt that one of the feedbacks I got from you was that it's just a little bit overwhelming in terms of a workload, and then in addition you would have to prepare for an exam. So no weekly assignment, but take that time and prepare for the exam. In terms of topics, we're talking about flowers and flowering. So that finishes up our unit on crop anatomy, and then we'll get into yield of crops, and in preparation for that we'll talk about how crop stands develop. So crop stand establishment is one of the presentations I prepared for you. The textbook doesn't really cover that, so this will be just the material from my presentation. The textbook goes a little bit more into detail with reproduction, so that's all included in that chapter with flowering and fruiting. And I recommend that you look at the lab that's associated with that, just to kind of test your knowledge. Exam will be on Friday. And I will provide you a list of the topics that we're going to cover, and in the news forum then also let you know a little bit about what type of questions will be for that. So hopefully it works out, and hopefully I hear from you during the Illuminate session, or remember you can always join in. I still do the chat, even though not a lot of people take advantage of that. So I will be available 11:30 to 12:30 Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I'll see you or hear from you online. All right, bye-bye.